Welcome to BobMath. In this video we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x and y as real number, and we have x greater than or equal 1 and y greater than or equal 4. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. So let's solve this equation. We know that square root of x minus 1 plus 2 square root of y minus 4 equals x plus y divided by 2. Now we multiply this equation by the number 2. So we got 2 times square root of x minus 1 plus 2 square root of y minus 4 equals 2 times x plus y divided by 2. Therefore, 2 square root of x minus 1 plus 4 square root of y minus 4 equals x plus y. And therefore, x plus y minus 2 square root of x minus 1 minus 4 square root of y minus 4 equals 0. We know that a minus b all square equals e square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will try to find these properties in this example. So x minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 square root of x minus 1 plus y minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 square root of y minus 4 equals 0. And therefore square root of x minus 1 all square plus 1 square minus 2 times square root of x minus 1 times 1 plus square root of y minus 4 all square plus 2 square minus 2 times square root of y minus 4 equals 0. And therefore square root of x minus 1 all square plus square root of y minus 4 minus 2 all square equals 0. Now we have some of the number positive that equals 0. So the number square root of x minus 1 equals 0, and square root of y minus 4 minus 2 equals 0. Therefore square root of x minus 1 equals 1, and square root of y minus 4 equals 2. Now we add the square to both sides of the equation. So square root of minus 1 all square equals 1 square, and square root of y minus 4 all square equals 2 square, and therefore x minus 1 equals 1 and y minus 4 equals 4. Therefore x equals 1 plus 1 and y equals 4 plus 4. Therefore x equals 2 and y equals 8. So the solution to this equation are 2 and 8. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.